How to make wolf armor in Minecraft. So first what you need to do is find armadillos. So you could find it on savannas or badlands. And once you're there, so you will need the armadillo scoot. So the armadillos drop it every 5 to 10 minutes. But alternatively, you could use a brush and you just needs to simply right click on the armadillo to drop the scoot just like so. So when I go to survival right here, it will break our brush fast, as you can see as I use it. It's like 4 to 5 times before it breaks. But once you're done with the scooping and stuff, so you will need 6 of these scoots. So I'm just gonna get one more, and once that's done, just simply get a crafting table and put it right there and open it up. Now you will need to place the armadillo in like this position right here. Just get the last one and put it right there. And this should be the position of the scoots in the crafting table. Once that's done, you will get your wolf armor. Now you could just simply go to your wolf and get your wolf armor. You could also dye this wolf armor if you want. But if you just want to put it on them, just simply right click on it and right click on the wolf. And now as you can see, the wolf now has its armor. And if you want to remove it, you could just simply use shears and right click on him. That's how you basically make wolf armor in Minecraft.